morning. We had such a good time last night. It's 7:20 right now. Good morning. Couldn't sleep anymore because my friend, he just came and stopped us. That's my tent. Got this at the entrance yesterday. It came along with the goodie bag. So this is a bamboo plate, which is, we have to use this for our breakfast. Salim! No, yeah. I'm here. Okay. How was the night?
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
Slept nicely?
Yeah.
Crazy night, man. Yeah. Thank you. Can we get one more of this? Yes, two. Yes, I'll have one. One more banana. Thank you. Okay, thank you. It's a crazy, 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 crazy. Peace, love, music, right. Good afternoon. This is day 3 of my ride and day 2 of the Hornbill riders meet. So yes, I'm here. Ma, Ma, how's the ride? How's the Hornbill festival? Sohun jeruk Ma. Sak jam Ma, sebab biang.
Biang.
Biang. Teh mentang ni lesi sport, minit pet. Games, ke berhad.
Okay, after some time.
Yeah, sure. Oh, ano?
I'm waiting for that dollar. Maju.
Oh, maju men.
Nah, tak kaset tong ba set ba. Lalu ada.
Like, share, and
My friend Knox from
Karbiang Long.
Difu.
Difu Karbiang.
Main guy, the hardcore.
The brother of only sister.
Guys, I'll tell you something about this place. This place is a heretical. Hello, bro. So, enjoy, no?
Just got up
Yeah. That's good. You have a good sleep then.
all night.
So, guys, I'll tell you something about this place, the venue. This is a historical place of the Nagas, where the Japanese soldiers were being put up here. The ones who got injured. So, where I'm standing is the monument of this historical place. That's my good friend Bentley from NMC. He's one of the, we've been friends for such a long time. During the pandemic, we became close because we both have the same interests and passion, like
Low down.
yeah, like riding.
Nothing to do.
Yeah, like riding and playing some music. So we kept in touch and we had a plan.
This were a plan.
That we're gonna play someday, and it happened, man. Come, ma. This Leonard, one of the he's the guitarist from Dewdrops. One of the best,
I've heard
the best reggae band in India. So he's from Larambai, from Jaintia.
And there was one day I told Jonathan,
Yeah.
God willing we'll play, and this was God wills
Yeah.
that we could play together.
And we played, he told me like, 2 songs, okay. But I said, okay. But then we played 4 songs, yeah. So it was a nice time.
And
I-
unexpected songs.
But I was waiting for Paradise City.
Like the first like.
Anyway, guys, you watch the video.
Very,
Okay, we'll,
very
I'll
serious,
post the
okay?
videos of us playing.
Then
Bye.
the
Good night.
best
Bye,
gone.
man. Thank you,
Nagaland is
Wacharam.
very
Thank you,
good.
Ram. Friendly.
Then
Kohima. Dimapur.
and this is Leonard, the great Leonard. Yeah.
And I want to say we love Lamolia.
Wow. Everyone says Lamolia. 1, 2, 3. Last night, last dinner with Abhinav, my good friend.
Jadi tangan tiap nak lah, mah.
Tiap, kuat tiap. Firu tu kuat tiap. Come đây mà tu sini. Mana? Betul lah, last day lah, bau lah, tiap no, nang wan mana lah, tiap no, maaf tu dia. Mana sih dah kau? Ngai le tiap ngai tu mah, so tiap mah.
बढ़ेगी इस दिशा से लेके उस दिशा तलक हमारे हो पसीने और आंसू की धड़क नमो खसी कदे कने बशंशितम
Everyone had their dinner. I'm the only one left who's gonna have now. I'm having it in my tent. Good night, guys. Love you guys. See you, and I'll update you.